Aloha, folks. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Um, if you are new to the channel, just wanted to say aloha. If you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say mahalos. Thank you for all the support. This channel would not be where it is today if it wasn't for your love and your support. So thank you so much for all that you guys support us. Um, so in this video, I'm going to show you 3 Dividend Aristocrats that you can start your dividend portfolio. And if you only have $500, this is a great starting point for you to build that portfolio. Just these 3 and under $5. As always, please remember that this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing. I'm not a financial advisor. With that said, let's take a look at these 3 Dividend Aristocrats that you can start your dividend portfolio in under $500. First on the list, everybody knows this company. I say this is one of the most solid, great companies that if you want to invest in a company that's great, Pepsico would be another one. So Pepsico, ticker symbol is PEP. This is a company that engages in the manufacture, distribution, and sales of beverages, foods, and snacks. Um, Pretty much everybody has at one point or another bought this product. And so if we take a look at it, they're not only a beverage one, they also do like chips, Doritos, so Quaker Oats. They also do some uh, OJ like Tropicana, teas like Lipton. So you can see that they have a lot of different brands that you probably have in your um, house. Now let's take a quick look at tip ranks based on the time of this video. It is at 157. Now their price target is at 165 with a 5% upside. 12-month forecast. You can see it is the high would be 185, the average would be 165, and the low of 154. With the analysis recommendations of moderate buy, so you have 7 buys and 7 holds. Now, if you look at the stock analysis, you can see smart score base is 9, which is outperformed. You can see hedge funds activities have been increased. You can see bullish news settlements as well as opinions, and however, the tip rank investors say it's negative. Now, take a look at CNN Business. Based on their forecast, they rated as a high of 185, the median 167, and a low of 140, with analysis recommendations of 10 buys, 2 outperforms, 11 holds, 1 underperformed. Right now, if we look at Webull, 24 analysis rated as a buy. You got a strong buy of 20%, a buy of 33%, a hold of 41%, and a sell of 4%. So interesting. Now, if we look at the price target, pretty similar to the others. 185 is the high, 165 is the low, and 140 is the low is 140. Sorry, 165 is the average. Now, swinging to bar chart, you can see similar numbers in the high target of 185. 162 is the mean, 136 is the low. However, their analysis rating is moderate. Current is a moderate buy based on 15 analysis. Looking down to the ratings breakdown, you can see they have 6 holds, 1 strong sell, and 8 strong buy. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, to take a look about who are the top institutional holdings, you can see on March 30th, Vanguard bought about 119 million, BlackRock bought about 100 million, State Street Corporations 57, Bank of America 23. So you can see the lowest is about 14 million when they bought it on March 30th. So definitely institutional holdings are buying it. I usually look for like Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street. So those are the ones that I kind of look at. Now, if we look at the valuations, you can see forward PE is about 25. Price to book is about 14. Now, if we look down to the profitability, profit margin is about 11%. And then you got all these other things. So one of the things that I would probably recommend is if you are new to investing and you want to learn about some of the stats, statistics, you can go Yahoo Finance is a great tool to use. Yeah. Now, if we look down to Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, they're rated as 93, which is very safe. Dividend yield is about 2.74. Market cap is about 217 billion. Now, looking down to the key metrics, you can see payout ratio is about 68%. Now, looking at the dividend growth, you can see the last 5 years is up 8%. The last 20 years is up 10%, which is they recommended as fast. Now, this is where I love seeing it. Dividend growth streak of 48 years of consecutive growth, uninterrupted dividend streak of 48 years without a reduction. So if you're wondering about the payout schedule, if you do invest in Pepsico, you can see quarterly you get paid in the months of January, March, June, and September, with the annual payout of $4.30 per share. So quarterly you'll probably get $1.08 per quarter. Yeah. Totaling about $4.30 shares. Now, if we look at Seeking Alpha, one of the things you need to look at is the 10 years. So you can see at 10 years, it's up 139. 5 years, it's up 43%. So definitely something to consider. Next in the list, Lowe's. Ticker symbol is LOW. Again, one of companies that I love. I definitely shop on this company to do some of the home repair. So this is a company that offers products for maintenance, repair, and home decor. So definitely one stop place where I go to do some home improvements. Now, taking a look at tip ranks at the time of this video, it was 197. Price target is up as high as 229 with a 16% upside. 12-month forecast rated as a high of 250, average of 229, and the low of 205 with a rating of strong buy, and there's 19 of them. 15 of them said it's a buy, 4 of them says it's a hold. Now, taking a look at CNN Business, you can see the price target for them is a 266, 225 is the medium, 198 is the low. Recommendations is 23 buys, 4 outperformed, 6 hold, and 1 underperformed. Now, if we look at the valuation, you can see forward PE is 19, price to book ratio is 319. Now look at the profit margin is about 7%. Now, Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, they rated as 93, which is very safe. The dividend yield is 1.62. The market cap is about 142 billion. If you look down to the key metrics, payout ratio is about 23%. Now, dividend growth, the last 5 years, 17%, which it's very fast. Last 20 years, 23%, which is very fast. So you're one of the lucky ones that invested in Lowe's 20 years ago. You went up 23% per year, which is very fast, which is awesome. Now, again, this is what I really love about this company, is that dividend growth has been for the 58 years consecutively and uninterrupted for 58 years without a reduction. So pretty impressive in my opinion. Payout schedule, quarterly you get paid February, May, August, and November. Annual payout would be $3.20. Now take a look at Seeking Alpha. You can see the 5-year return would be 149. 10-year return would be a 787% so far. So another solid company in my opinion. Last on the list is Abbvie. Ticker symbol is ABBV. This is a company that engages in development and sale of pharmaceutical products. So another great solid dividend company that I love investing on. Now, if we look at tip ranks, you can see the time of this video is $1.17 with the price target as 123, 4% upside. 12-month forecast rated as a high of 135. average of 123, and the low of 105 with the rating of strong buy. 11 of them says it's strong buy with 9 buys and 2 holds. Now take a look at CNN Business. You can see forecast is in the high of 144, the medium 126, and the low of 105 with the rating of 14 buy, 3 outperforms, 5 holds, and 1 underperform. Now if we look at Webull, based on 19 analysis, they rate it as a buy. Strong buy would be 31%, a buy of 42, hold of 26, with their price target is in the high of 160, average of 149, and the low of 135. Now if we look at Simply Say Dividend, their dividend safety score rated as safe, which is 70. Dividend yield is about 4.41. The market cap is about 209 billion. Now if we look down to the key metrics, you can see payout ratio is about 45%, which is they said it's edging high for biotechs, but for me, I really like it, and this is why I like it. The last 5 years, 18% per year, which is very fast. Now if we look down, it has only been 7 consecutive years uninterrupted for 7 without a reduction. Payout schedule quarterly, February, May, August, and November, with the annual payout of $5.20. Now if we look at bar chart, based on their price target about 144, the median 120, and the low of 98, with analysis recommendation currently as a strong buy based on 13 analysis. Looking it down, you can see 3 holds, 1 moderate sell, and 9 strong buys. Now if we look at the top institutional holdings, you can see Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street. Look at that. Look how much shares they bought on March 30th. Just impressive. You can see how these big companies are just buying these shares. Now if we look down to the 5-year chart based on Seeking Alpha, you can see 5 years, it's up 85%. The last 10 years, nothing. You can see there's no stuff in there, but I really like this company. I think this is a great solid stock to own. Now looking at these 3, you can see now 3 stocks to buy under 500. So you got Lowe's at 117, you got Abbvie at the time of this video is 197, you got Pepsi at 157. So if you bought 1 share each, you would have totaled about $471. So definitely something to consider if you are starting to build your portfolio. As always, please remember that this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on these videos that I put out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. As always, please remember, please be safe out there, and definitely stay cool and keep investing, all right? And check out the other videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, right? Take care. Aloha.